feel like there's just never enough time in the day? You wake up, you rush out the door, you hit the traffic, grab something quick to eat, and by the time you look up, the day's over. But here's the truth. You don't need more time. You just need to learn how to master your windows. We all live by time windows. Moments in the day that open and close, whether we're ready or not. There's your morning window. How you wake up, what you think, what you put into your body. Then there's your transition window, where the time between places, like the car ride, the walk, and waiting around. And then there's the work window, right, where most of your energy is spent because you're basically reacting instead of creating. And finally, your evening window, when you either recharge or check out. The problem is that most people don't use those windows. They say, well, I don't have time to exercise, or I don't have time to cook healthy, But the truth is, they had the time, they just gave it away. According to a 2023 study from the American Psychological Association, the top reasons people will say they can't maintain healthy habits are stress, lack of time, and poor planning. But when researchers dug deeper, they found something interesting. It's not the amount of time people have, it's how they are using it. The average person spends over 2 hours scrolling on their phone. That's 14 hours a week, almost a full walking day gone. So it's not that you don't have the time to eat healthy or work out, it's that your time windows are being hijacked. The ancient philosopher Seneca said, it's not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste much of it. That was written almost 2,000 years ago, and it's still true today. We're not short on time, we're short on attention. And when you learn to take back those windows, that first 30 minutes in the morning, that 10-minute drive, that last hour before bed, you stop existing and start living with intention. I learned this lesson the hard way. When I was rebuilding my health, I realized that I wasn't short on time. I was short on focus. I had windows every day to stretch, to plan, to breathe, but I was wasting them thinking about what I didn't have time for. I don't know if you guys ever did that before. That moment I started protecting those windows, though, everything started to change. My energy, my mindset, and my body. So here's my challenge to you. Pick one window tomorrow. Maybe it's your morning. Maybe it's that drive home. Use it. Because once you master your time windows, you'll master your health, your habits, and your life. Either you run the day or the day runs you. Jim Rohn. Now, go run the day. And on this channel, I have a video also about planning. I have a video, so it'll help you plan and prepare. It's super important. Plan that time. I also have a video on exercise, on food, exercises, a lot of them. I have my own workouts on there. Food plans. It's all free.